Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now, this is the continuation video of PyTorch workflow. In my last video, we have seen the model prediction and today we are going to see how to build a model, right? Let me show you. In our last video, I recommend you to watch my last video. This is what we have done, PyTorch workflow fundamentals, right? So up to this level, we reached here, right? So what we have done, we have just predicted one model here. Just let me show you. And then not here, here. And in this way, we have just a second. Yeah, this we have done. So we have taken the data by our own, right? Weight and bias. We have taken the data by our own. If you see my previous video, everything will be clear to you. So from here, we have to learn now how to build a model, right? So that is what we are going to see in this video. So let's check it out. So first of all, now what we are going to see here, how to build the model, right? So let me make it mark down. Okay. Now we are going to see. Now we have got some data and let's build the model. We need to make it as raw. Okay. We will just show how to create a model here. Now, if I show you this, now look at this class linear regression model. We are creating a model. This is the standard format of creation of model. Here you can see the weights and the bias, right? This is the linear regression formula, y equal to mx plus p. So that is what we are going to see here. So here is the linear regression model formula, right? Now we are going to check the contents of PyTorch model first. Look at this. I am showing you each and everything in a simple way that it would be easy for you to understand, and I also recommend you to watch this again. Now see, let's create a model instance with the class we have made and check its parameter using dot parameter, right? So first of all, what we need to do here, if I this torch dot manual seed and then model 0, we have created one model 0 regression linear regression model, right? And inside that list equal to model parameters. These are the parameters tensors and then parameter containing tensors 0.3367. These are randomly generated. After that, now if I show you just 1 second, make it raw. We can also get the state, what the model contains. So this is what we are going to get the state. Let me show you how we get the state. If I click this, look at this. This is the way of getting the state: order, dictionary, weight, tensor, bias, tensor. Okay. Now, the value of weight and bias comes out a random float tensor, right? Let me show you this also. See, the value for weights and bias from model zeros dot state dictionary come out as random float tensors, making prediction using torch dot inference model. So we will create one more inference model and I will show you how it is done. So let me just make it as raw. To check this, we can pass it the test data x test, right? First, we will pass only x test data, not the train data. I'm not passing any train data. I'm just passing the test data like this. Okay. So torch dot inference model, with the help of inference model here, PyTorch torch dot inference model, I have just predicted the value, right? X test and Y predict. So we are having the X test data and sample number of testing sample 10, prediction made 10 prediction values are made. Okay, now after that, if I show you this plot dot prediction, now see, this is the original data and this is the prediction red color dots. Now there is too much difference between predicted and original test data. That means this is not acceptable. This is the difference. Look at this. This is the difference. Now you can see here there is a lot of difference between these two. And these predictions are not acceptable, right? So we need to train the data. Now we need to train the data. So that our predictions will become more accurate. And how we train the data, we will learn it in our upcoming next video. Today we have seen how to create a model. Where is it? Build a model. How to build a model? First of all, this is a linear regression standard model, how to create it. Then we have inserted some data, manual seed, with the help of manual seed, and then we have extracted the parameters. These are the parameters, right? After that, we can see the state of the model. These are the states. After that, we see here inference model. With the help of inference model, it do the predictions. So this is the y predict. This is what y predict, right? After that, we have plotted the data of training data, testing data. These two data are ours data, right? We have given manually, and this is the prediction. That means you can see there is too much difference between the predicted line and the original line. For this, to remove this type of difference, we continuously train the data, and after a certain time it becomes accurate, right? For that we run epochs, that means the repetition. So that we will see in our next video. So guys, I recommend you to watch this video again, and then we will see how to train the data. Look at this. This is how we train the data. So we will see it in our upcoming next video. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.